Morning team, it's Wednesday, October 11. I want to start talking about the cleanest setup I saw yesterday. Somebody's gonna say like, yeah, it's easy in hindsight because everybody can spot a win in hindsight. Yes, it is, but if you do this exercise long enough, at some point you're gonna start to spot the things that you want in advance instead of in hindsight. And I also want to explain why my bias were wrong being bearish before going to analyze today's price action. So you remember here, I was like, okay, when we were here yesterday, say like H4 is down, H1 is up, and I was not convinced. Indeed, I tried to short here yesterday at London Open, and I moved my stop loss at break even when I saw that they were riding these lows. You see that they cannot BMS clearly, they were absorbed. I moved the stop loss and then they went up. What happened when they go up? They start to BMS all the hourly time frame. You see H1 BMS up, H4 BMS up. So hourly was aligned finally, which is something that I love. When H1 is up, H4 is up, I know that there are many conferences. So what they did then, they dipped into the order block, M5, and took off. So this one for me, one second, sorry, was the cleanest setup of the day, and it was absolutely insanely, I mean, this one is everything I look to do. Where was it? This one, here we go. This was the setup here. This is everything I want from price. H4 was up, H1 was up, then they pull back, they do M5. I mean, I'm not saying you should hold until whatever. Maybe you take off at this weak high or something, maybe you even like protect yourself, but this was the cleanest setup ever, and it was in New York or maybe London closed and I was not around anymore. So yeah, I wanted to say about this one because I feel like I was waiting for something like this the whole Monday and Tuesday, and it happened when I was not a chart. It's not an excuse, it's just like studying price action. Okay, anyway, let's go back. Look yesterday when I was in a short here, I think my short was here. It went even to 1.5 hour. Then I realized that they dipped below the 50% of the move. They keep riding, sweeping, absorbing, and then I say like, fuck, I'm not willing to take a full loss. These guys can easily send it to Asia high, and they send it. So anyway, it is what it is. I didn't took losses. At least I stick to my plan. Let's go back to normal analysis. Okay, today's CPI. CPI is, I think, is the biggest event of the week. I don't know if it's today or tomorrow. Well, I don't know about this. I don't know which one is the most important, but it's today and tomorrow. This FOMC is not relevant to me. It's not going to move the markets. I don't know. It can, but it's not the biggest one. When you read the minutes, I don't know how do you say minutes, this one is not important. This one it is. So 230, if you are in a trade, you wanna get protected also. Instead, the London Open looks quite calm. There is something only at Frankfurt Open in 20 minutes. Anyway, yeah, I see bullishness now finally. Let's clean. I see bullishness now finally. Inside day, it worked as accumulation and now we're expanding. It's true, we took out this swing high, but I don't know, I don't feel like a raid yet. I think we can keep going, especially looking at weekly. Looking at weekly looks to me that we should keep going. This double raid is like strong as fuck. You know, Looks to me that we need to go here, as I said in the weekend, 68, 70. But yeah, let's see. Hourly charts right now are all pointing up. Even, as I say, this is a doji, took some liquidity. Yes, maybe we can pull back a little. I can see a pullback, but I would like them to keep pushing. At least, as I say, there is clean liquidity here. Stupid clean. I remember when we left this liquidity on the way down, and I was like, fuck, they really left for later. So yeah, I think the end goal is this one, at least before seeing for some serious retrace. But you know, let's see. Right now, every single hourly chart is pointing up. H12, H4, H1. So I see zero reason to take a short unless it's for a scalp. Let's go to low time frame. Yeah. The only also this raid was made in Asia. I don't like when they raid Asia. This oh no, this one was London close yesterday. Fuck. Yeah, London close is legit. When they raid in London closes, sometimes they keep going down. They keep following the direction. This is something that I learned from Michael. Also, they took this low. Yeah. Well, not gonna lie to you, this raid is kind of legit. It's a small one. How many pips? Like 2-3 pips. And now looks like a distribution. Yeah, I can see a pullback. But as I said, all hourly are pointing up. For me to go short, I need some clean flow. Yes, this is Asia, right? Is this one? Yes. So yeah, let's see. There are reasons to go lower. This is liquidity. This is a nice liquidity trend line. So yeah, but the only problem is that I don't trade before 8 o'clock. It's too early for me. I'm gonna check charts and post something later. I can see a pullback, but I'm not really a fan right now. Also, I'm trying to figure out some level that is not being tested completely for longs. Maybe this one. This is a valid support that was not really tested, not mitigated on the way up. Maybe we pull back in here and keep going. Anyway, as I said, right now it doesn't tell me anything. I don't see any clean level or area of interest, so I will post more charts later. Yesterday I said that I was going to be around, and in the end I got super busy again, so I hope today I got more time. I'll speak to you later, guys. Bye bye.